Hello. Today we're going to be discussing blood type, specifically within the ABO system and within the rhesus system. Now this can get a little tricky, so it's important to have a good way to reason through it. Physically, what happens is the erythrocytes, the red blood cells, have little protein markers on their surface called antigens. There are two of these types of antigens within the ABO system. There's antigen A and antigen B. You have one or the other, both or neither, and that gives us blood type A, blood type B. If you have both, you have blood type AB. If you don't have either of those proteins, you have blood type O, which you can think of as like a 0 or no, you don't have either of those on there. Now, the way the immune system of your body works is you will make antibodies that will attack, they will bind to any foreign proteins. Now sometimes this is discussed as self versus not self, which is a good way to think about it, but can also be misleading when it comes to this. It's not just, oh, it's different, there has to be a foreign protein. These will bind to those foreign proteins and then they'll mark them for destruction. So if you have A proteins on your blood, you will have antibodies that will recognize B proteins as foreign. If you have B antigens on your blood, you will have antibodies that recognize A antigens as foreign. If you have both A and B on your blood cells, you can't have antibodies against either one of them. Otherwise, it would attack your own blood cells. So you don't have A or B antibodies. On the other hand, if you don't have either of those proteins, nice smooth surface, if you will, with no A, no B, that means your immune system will recognize either A or B as foreign proteins and therefore attack it. So it's not so much, is this blood type different from mine? It's do the blood cells that are coming in a blood transfusion have any foreign proteins that my immune system is going to send antibodies to attack?